Hey, what's up, YouTube? So I thought I would just go over some of the stuff that I use and I purchased on my own, and I find that it's good and works for me. Um, so this is my cleaning like little kit that I have when I want to clean my pistols. Um, Cleaning solution, I like CLP. I use hops in the past. The smell's kind of strong to use indoors, so I don't use the hops cleaning solution. I just use CLP and I spray this. So I use that, and it's pretty good. Um, Bag of Q-tips to get into the little crevices. I like to use Lucas gun oil. I use like, for example, Breakthrough. This bottle's leaking a little bit, so that's why I'm not like, I don't have it in this tray. And a plastic pick that you can pick off, that you can find off Amazon. I'm pretty sure it's pretty cheap. I think I got this in like 3 different picks, and they were like, I think $3 or something like that. One thing I did pick up local at my local gun store that I kind of liked, didn't find this on Amazon for some strange reason, but it was fairly cheap. It was like 23 bucks. It's Remington 9mm cleaning kit. I mean, they make a 45. You can buy other cleaning kits you want, but I do like this kit. It just seems that it's the stuff in it is, build quality is pretty good. So let me just open it up. You have this like nice aluminum handle, and this end over here is in ball bearings, and it rotates. So for example, if you put in the shaft, let me just go through. As you push, well, you have you can put your patches through, and you have your pusher over here. But as you're pushing it through the barrel, this will spin along the patches with the rifling inside your barrel, so it's nice. The other end you can go through. It doesn't spin it or anything like that. So you can do either or, but it's nice. I think the rods are actually made out of brass. Feels a little bit heavier weight. And this part is aluminum. I'm not sure if the ends are made out of brass, but I don't think so. You have your nylon brush. You have your copper brush if you need to use something a little bit to get the lead deposit and the fouling inside the barrel off. You can have a plastic brush. I'm not using this brush. I have other brushes, so I'm using it. And then you do have they give you, like, you can put oil in here if you want. It's a little dropper, and give you some patches. I have other patches, so I haven't used it. So this is the cleaning kit. It's pretty nice. 23 bucks. See if there's a part number right here. Well, that's a SKU number. You can pick it if you guys can pick it up. But it's a nice thing. I mean, I have mostly 9mm. I have 45 some and like 5.7s, but most of my guns are 9mm, so that's why I like this kit. Oh, also, this bottom of this case is like rubberized, so if you do put it on a flat surface, it doesn't slide around, which is kind of nice. So I'll put that aside. And last thing I use is this US General silicone like tool tray. Most of the time I'm cleaning it on my computer desk or this desk over here where I do filming, and I do not want to get the CLP or hops on the surface of the table, and I use this and I clean my gun, which is nice. It's all contained in here. It has raised edges, so nothing rolls out. Soft, it's not going to scratch your gun, and I think silicone is pretty resistant to a lot of chemicals, and it could be wrong. You can double check that, but this was fairly cheap. 20 bucks from Harbor Freight, US General. And you got little pockets where you can put, like, where as you're working on your gun, you can put parts in. So I kind of do like this. So this is what I use to clean my guns. And I just wanted to show you, if you have some kind of cleaning like material or tool for handguns that you think is good to have, let me know in the comments. But yeah, this is just my simple cleaning. I don't go too fancy, and oh, of course, tons of paper towel here, but tons of paper towels, and that's really basically it. All right, thanks, bye.